Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to enable God mode on your Windows 11 computer. So you just need to follow me. So at first you just need to copy this command from my video description. Okay, just copy this command, and after that go to your desktop and just right click, and after that click on new, or else you can click on show more option, and here you also get the new option. Okay, so after go to the new option, you have to click on folder. Now you have to press F2 to rename this name, and after that you have to paste that command to over there, and after that press enter. Okay, after that you have to refresh your window and it will show you the God mode. Okay, so here it is. As you can see, I'm getting all the option in one folder. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.